In the vast expanse of space surrounding our world, there are countless celestial bodies and cosmic phenomena that have captured the curiosity of humans for centuries. Among them, the Black Knight satellite stands out as one of the most mysterious and intriguing objects ever discovered. Wrapped in an enigma, it has sparked countless theories and speculations, leaving scientists and space enthusiasts alike on the edge of their seats. But what exactly is the Black Knight satellite? How did it come into existence? And what secrets does it hold that have captured our imagination? Let's explore the fascinating details behind this enigmatic object and uncover the truth behind the myths and legends that surround it. The story of the Black Knight satellite began over 100 years ago in the late 1800s, when the brilliant inventor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla made a startling claim. He had received a strange radio signal that seemed to be coming from beyond our world. At the time, such signals were unheard of, and Tesla's announcement sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Some dismissed his claims as the ramblings of a madman, while others saw it as a potential breakthrough that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Could these signals be a form of communication from distant civilizations, or perhaps a sign of extraterrestrial intelligence? Or were they simply a product of Tesla's overactive imagination? Fast forward to the 1920s, and amateur radio operators around the world began picking up unusual transmissions that defied explanation. These signals were unlike anything they had ever encountered before, and they couldn't be traced to any known source. Were these transmissions also from Tesla's supposed discovery, or were they something else entirely? As the years went on, the mystery only grew, and by the 1950s, newspapers around the world were writing about mysterious satellites orbiting the Earth long before humanity had even launched one. Speculation ran wild, and theories abounded, but the truth remained elusive. Then, in 1960, the U.S. Navy detected a large dark object in polar orbit around the Earth, and the media quickly dubbed it the Black Knight satellite. However, despite its ominous name, the object itself was never actually seen, and all we have to go on are the radar readings from the Navy. Is it possible that the Black Knight satellite could be lurking in the shadows of our planet undetected? Or are these sightings nothing more than a case of mistaken identity? 3 years later, in 1963, American astronaut Gordon Cooper claimed to have seen a glowing object hurtling through space. He described it as a large, bright, fiery object traveling at an alarming speed. He immediately reported his sighting to the authorities, who dismissed it as a malfunction in his ship's sensors. However, Cooper insisted that what he had seen was real and that it had almost caused a collision with his craft. Was Cooper mistaken, or could there be something out there that even NASA doesn't want us to know? As the years passed, the mystery only grew, and in 1973, Scottish researcher Duncan Lunan claimed to have decoded these old radio echoes, which supposedly contained a star map pointing to the star system Epsilon Bootes. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the theory of the Black Knight satellite as an alien probe has persisted for decades. Many people believe that the satellite is still out there and that it is continuing to observe us from afar. Some believe that it is the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe and that it holds the answers to some of humanity's most profound questions. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence cited by believers is the fact that the Black Knight satellite has never been detected by modern telescopes. If it is really out there, it is somehow managing to remain hidden from our most advanced detection methods. This has led some to believe that the satellite is cloaked in some kind of invisibility shield, while others believe that it simply exists outside of our perception. Another piece of evidence that has fueled the fire is the fact that the Black Knight satellite seems to be intelligent. It has been observed changing its orbit and altitude, which suggests that it is capable of independent thought and action. Some believe that this is further proof that the satellite is an alien probe that is capable of communicating with its creators, while others believe that it is simply a highly advanced piece of technology that was left behind from a top-secret government project. However, despite the many theories and speculations, the truth is that we still don't know what the Black Knight satellite is. It could be a top-secret government project, a highly advanced piece of space debris, or even a natural phenomenon that has been misinterpreted. The lack of concrete evidence has allowed the mystery to persist for decades, and it is likely that we may never know the truth. While the existence of the Black Knight satellite remains a mystery, there is no denying that it has captured the human imagination. The idea of a secret satellite orbiting our planet monitoring our every move is both fascinating and terrifying. It has inspired countless books, documentaries, online forums, and even works of art. The Black Knight satellite has become a symbol of the unknown, a reminder that there are still things out there that we don't understand. However, while the mystery of the Black Knight satellite may never be solved, it has taught us a lot about ourselves. It has shown us the power of belief, the human tendency to seek out patterns and meaning, and the desire to understand the universe around us. It has also taught us to be critical of the information we receive and to always question what we see and hear. In conclusion, the Black Knight satellite remains one of the most enduring mysteries of our time. It is a reminder that there are still things out there that we don't understand and that the universe never ceases to amaze us. Whether it is a top-secret government project, a highly advanced piece of space debris, or a natural phenomenon that has been misinterpreted, the Black Knight satellite will continue to fascinate us for years to come. So keep looking up to the stars and never stop questioning what you see, because you never know what you might discover. Now, let's take a look at some of the alternative explanations that have been proposed for the Black Knight satellite. Could it be nothing more than a lost thermal blanket or a piece of space junk? Or are there more sinister forces at play? One popular theory is that the Black Knight satellite is simply a piece of space junk that has been misinterpreted as a mysterious object. Proponents of this theory argue that the satellite's orbit is consistent with that of a piece of debris, and that the alleged changes in its altitude can be explained by atmospheric drag. They also point out that there have been numerous reports of unidentified objects in space that turned out to be nothing more than pieces of space debris. It is possible that the same is true of the Black Knight satellite. Another theory is that the Black Knight satellite is a lost thermal blanket that was accidentally released during a space shuttle mission. This theory is supported by the fact that the object was allegedly seen by astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour in 1998. It is possible that the blanket was mistaken for a mysterious satellite, leading to all of the speculation and theories that followed. Of course, there are those who believe that the Black Knight satellite is not of this world, but rather an alien probe that is being hidden from the public by the government. They point to the fact that the satellite has never been detected by modern telescopes as evidence that it is cloaked in some kind of invisibility shield. They also believe that the satellite's ability to change its orbit and altitude is evidence of its intelligence. There is also the theory that the Black Knight satellite is a top-secret government project that is being kept secret for national security reasons. This theory is supported by the fact that the satellite was allegedly detected by the U.S. Navy in 1960, which was during the height of the Cold War. It is possible that the satellite is a highly advanced piece of technology that was developed for military purposes, and that the government is doing everything it can to keep it a secret. So, what do you think? Is the Black Knight satellite a piece of space junk, a lost thermal blanket, a top-secret government project, or an alien probe? Or could there be something else that we haven't even considered? Share your thoughts below. In the meantime, one thing is for sure: the Black Knight satellite will continue to capture our imaginations and spark debate for years to come. Who knows what other secrets it may be holding, but one thing is certain: its presence serves as a reminder of the vastness of space and the mysteries that still remain. So keep looking up and keep questioning, because the universe never ceases to amaze.